Hello, in front of me I've got 70MAI S500. In this video I'll show you how to connect Rearview camera. Firstly, you have to prepare this long cable and Rearview camera. Connect Rearview camera to the extension cable. And once it's done, connect this part of the cable to your dashcam right here. Now, when Rearview camera is connected, you can simply use it and switch between cameras like this. You can also use voice command to switch between cameras. The voice command is show front camera, show front camera, show rear camera. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.